Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step four, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
Hindi ko alam kung hihiwalay ko yung Changi Airport na vlog na pang Changi lang o yung kasama na to dun sa Singapore to Manila na vlog. Teka lang, titingnan natin kung gaano karami magiging clips natin dito o kung gaano kaganda o talagang worth it bang panoorin kung dapat nating hiwalay. Yan yun. So gusto na rin umagos ang ihi ko eh. So maghanap muna tayo ng CR. Ayun, I can see na may toilets. Shit, ang bango. Tapos mga mamahalin yung mga kainan dito. So yeah, dapat may pera ka talaga pag punta ka dito. Dapat talaga pinaghahandaan. So para hindi ka mabibigla sa mga presyuhan dito, lalo kung hilig mo mag-convert. So CR muna tayo. Ako lang pala, syempre lang sumama kayo dito, ano. Ito yung yung Changi Experience Studio. So bibili kang ticket diyan tapos papasok ka doon. So para medyo makapaglibang-libang ka. Ayan, puro kainan, may cafe. Oh, nice. Pero itong pinaka gusto kong makikita. So tingnan muna natin to. So yan, no? K-pop yata yan eh. I don't know. K-pop? Okay, fine. Don't effing, sorry K-pop fans. Crush na kasi yun, kaya ako nabubwisit doon.
Huwag kayo iiyak.
So pero ito yung pinakamaganda dito. What? Woo! Mugiwara store, shit. Mugiwara. Woo! Ang ganda. Very nice. Ace and Luffy. Namiss one. Ah, shit. Ay, parang gusto kong bumili nito. Ang ganda. Ayun, may t-shirt doon. Sa tingin ko, mapapabili ko dito. Yo, Luffy. Oh, ang ganda nung kay Marco. Nice. Oh, how much is this? Oh. Like. Sanji. Oh, ang ganda ng Sanji. Oh, pinakain niya yung Straw Hats. Nice. Oh, nice. Emotion si Sanji. Oh. Ayun ang hinahanap namin, mga wanted. Yun, no? Oh, tsa. Magkano kaya lahat to? Oh my goodness. Yeah. Kawawa talaga si Sanji eh. Oh. Lagi siya napagtitripan. Ganda talaga ng kaya namin. Nice. Ayun, no? Ang ganda ng mga merch nila. Ayun. Napakaganda. Nice. Gusto ko may ganito sa bahay. Ayun, no? Nice. Yun. Magkano to? No price? What the hell? Oh, wala. Ayun, walang Zoro. Walang Luffy. Nami and Robin meron. Tsaka si Sanji. Oh, frick. Fast forward na lang ha, kung di kayo meron sa One Piece. Pero fanatic kami ni Leslie dito. Napakaganda. Yun ba? Kain, walang wanted ni Luffy and Zoro. Oo, dito din pala, hindi ko napansin. Si Zoro lang meron. Meron. Si Mihawk to eh. Puro lo lang to eh. Ayun din eh. Oh. Cross guild lang nandito eh. Ganda. Nice. Yeah.
Singapore.
Yeah. Mugiwara.
Best airport in the
Yeah.
world. Charot.
Tapos meron akong wanted poster dito. Ito yon. Sobrang happy ako. Naiwan ko yung bag ko. Ito. Dito, may Pop Mart eh, oh.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.